What's up, guys? It's your girl Barbie TV, and I am back on another video.
First off, welcome.
Oh, y'all, let me tell y'all before I start this video. So, like, I'm really supposed to be recording like every weekend, but like some weekends I don't come home because I be in my boyfriend's house, and I'm like, self, you need to be home every weekend so you can start making videos every weekend, because I be miss recording. But y'all, I talk to myself and I'm gonna get on it. But today, pretty much, I'm going to be doing a braid out hair tutorial using clip-ins. I purchased these clip-ins called Betterlength, I'm sorry. And yeah, it's gonna be my first time trying to attempt to do them, and I was like, let me try something different, because I was like, I don't want to do like wig or anything like that. Like, I want to kind of do something where it kind of match my natural hair and stuff like that. But yeah, I just washed my hair, so I'm going to try to attempt to do them. Y'all already know, if it turned out cute, I'm going to post. If it don't, then y'all already know what happened. So I'm not gonna do much talking, so let's get right into it. I had ended up doing these off camera because I was having a hard time, because my hair is still short and I'm not a professional braider, as y'all can see. But I'm going to finish the rest on camera, so yeah. y'all, this is the finished look, and it took like a long time because it's my first time doing it. And by me having short hair, it was like I had to go over it so many times so I could get like the short piece. I'm gonna put my scarf on and then let it air dry, and hopefully it turns out cute. So if it do, y'all, I'll be back. Okay, so guys, this is the finished look, and I really love it. Like, it's giving very much look like my real hair before I cut it. It's giving very much classy, elegant. Let me get your number. Like, it's getting all of that. Y'all, my earring literally keep falling out, and it's really irritating me. But y'all, it took me so long to really put this together because I'm not professional when it comes to hair and all that. But I was like, so I'm gonna keep trying it and keep hope alive so, you know, I can get this video out to you guys. And then I have to throw in a little outfit. Yeah, I know I gotta be extra, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoy making it for you guys. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and turn on that bell so you know when I am posting. And remember that beauty is in with confidence. Till then, dog game, we out this way.